All right, so this is number 4, y equals 3 raised to the x minus 4. So if you remember, anything next to the x here, that gives you your horizontal shift, and it's always the opposite sign. So you're going to shift to positive 4. So I'm going to put an x here at positive 4 because it's not actually part of my graph, but it's as if I'm taking my 0, 0, and I'm moving it over to this 4. Now that I have that taken care of, what I'm going to do a table for is my parent function, which is y equals 3 raised to the x. So we're going to pick the points that we always pick. We're going to pick 2, 1, 0, negative 1, and negative 2. This is my x value. This is my y value. I always start in the middle of the table. So 3 to the 0 is 1. 3 to the 1 is 3. 3 squared would be 9. 3 to the negative 1, remember that negative causes a flip, so this is going to be 1/3. And 3 to the negative 2 will be 1/9. So if you remember, we looked at the pattern. These numbers here and these numbers here are always going to be reciprocals of each other. So now I'm going to graph from this x. So I'm going to pretend this little x here is like my 0, 0. So from this point, I'm going to go over 0, up 1. And I'm going to put a point. Then I'm going to go over 1, up 3. And this goes by 2, so I have to be careful. So over 1, up 3. And then I'm going to go over 2, up 9. And then the rest of the points are going to get really just closer and closer and closer to my asymptote. My asymptote is right here at the x-axis. So the equation of my asymptote is going to be y equals 0. And if I draw my graph, it's going to start like way up here. It's going to grab these points, and it's come down. It's going to like hug my asymptote. And so that's how you would graph that.